Papa, and you're not the man you catch and say you are not aware. We know that you are aware, but only you can never shut anybody down. Well, MPP said their voice who can you know. We are more than you people. I first of all like to thank you for your wisdom that you have exhibited our platform issue concerning MPP. I've always said they say no matter what, ye nuanom inti no ye nua baako onye kura still a ye nua. Inti no, this is the time our MPP for we need to be united as much as possible, as never before. Do be biara obeko into ahuchirimu anase bibi betu ni biano. Let's stand behind that person. After all, as Honorable Ken Edijina court or Anas Ekosiuni. Is it not true? Say Anas wayene who available for international communities to use him to disgrace African countries. Is it not true? Is it not true? It is true. It is Honorable Kennedy Japan etimi jina ho no mo Emma or fighting against him for those things that he's doing now. He onye boni biaye. Inti no misremu he might have ne nanso no as a party no ye who say you be near we should come together as never before looking at what is going on now. Ashanti region ukai say we say bulk supply points NPP na omu ye see sa bulk supply points ni sa nema yedi is there a Mary plant enye NPP na di call Ashanti region to serve the middle belt and enough for no more. Who has we have changed wiring his sister here yes and Juma ye electricity hunenya sem ketwa. Inti se John Jinapo ananya sa ne frɛ no
ne din no
incompetence ko jina ho no mo ko kan say ya is just ni nyina ye settings na wo ye he has no idea about what he's saying now nana ya jantoa mame fa o jimi e free ye soko wate fa nkwasi asem free ye soko na ye ndwen ye ho se wakwa konya ho no mo ahye is it not sir Kenuforiata, the pain that he has to go through. Now, onye sa your friend is a debt restructuring. And ama sikaba be go manuma yeti mi echa 2.7 billion. Akwa tu jubli ya oseko na kodi. And no secret die wate. On fon sa no. E was say you have to be steady. You have to be steady. Neja nkwa si akeka na uko jina yusu ana ukeka no. So wako sha wana udidi a. You have tried, ye feed you. If we don't pay our taxes, you can't NDD. So you better keep quiet. And now I John Dramani Mahama. Me also. Wono, say no, we are communist, and I say we are then. Are you a dictator? And I say we are then. I thank God I've seen Spike Acho say Oketechi has been released. And I'm happy that Osahene Afenyo Markins went on his page to protest. That first it was Abronye and now it is Oketechi. We will not sit down for you people to silence anybody. Any voice here ready because wo ochina nopa enche yebeba be peja wako. You be the next person. Omu peja wako. After Ghana Jollof ni it is still possible there. Omu de emi say grader. Any edi beba be peja e free saadi ye yusudi omako. Is that what is going on in Ghana? So you already know your credibility concerning free speech is at stake. How many journalists have been abused since NDC bar power within 2 months? How many journalists? So your free speech is been, if you say yes, you move, we need power. You try to shut everybody down. Margin Crawford accounts, Bebre, we say. In Shaba Nelka, you took his accounts from him, his Facebook accounts. You are hacking people's things and all that. What is that? I don't say cussing. Papa, and you're not the man you and say you are not aware. We know that you are aware. But you can never shut anybody down. MPP said their voice who can you know. We are more than you people. And don't think say the goodwill who enjoys a few months is going to be there forever. After 6 months, everybody will say Obi Anibe clear. Nisa unkwasi adina mudi wo we say one now you are trying to shut people down. And that Japana ni who fikan kaino. I think here he has gone to Addison's house to go and raid the place.
Yeah.
Japan. Such a non-entity. Kramfuteche kramwa am robasano. Oh no, wako Addison fie go and raid. Say for what? What is going on in Ghana? John Mahama, there are pressing issues. What's a wish or Ghana on the move? At the point, Boku's case is getting worse. Obia because you are trying to shut people and compress this thing. Boku people are dying. People are dying in Boku. A soldier has been shot. We try his case. We don't want to bring it up. You told Ghanaians to say Boku, Dr. Baumian supply with ammunitions. And a Boku case near West. But now, look at what is going on. Galamsey, West or Ghana, you are not talking about it. O budget would buy a full of inconsistencies, credibility, alcohol low on the budget. You are not talking about it. Doom so cost of living. And no one shall want some can send fun. And I'm with Ghana on Muna Woody. John Mahama, now you cannot shut anybody down. We are not going to shut up. We are not going to keep quiet. We are going to raise our voices. We are going to speak. All of us are going to speak. We all page Twitter. Cancel Twitter. Cancel YouTube. Cancel Facebook. We will use what do you call it? Tele something. What is it? Telegram. We will come in every way against you. Se si ampo na mu ya intolerant papa. Se si na mu hu hunanu. Eni ebe kakra no. Mu be bom nsema mayengo krumu onomo. You have not seen anything yet. We are coming. Voice, do you have that song? It says Kachira Muyeba. Please look for it and play for us. Kachira Muyeba your bankasa. You.
Midase mami, excellent communication as usual. Or imagine a good evening.
Good evening, the voice.
Amen.
Mechia watiefo nyina nso. Menso meka me kakra as usual said the bia de na me pese me bisa se na NDC for no mo pa che se Ghana yo mo de ana Mahama no o pa che se Ghana ye ne dia because menti ase ko me hwa Mahama no onye obia sa emma me enti o matimi yes annual no for example katechi free fa Nyankopo nhyira no bebi obia Nyankopo nkoso a enka no ho ni program ne support because enam NDC for so ema ye ni free bebi a oye adwuma nyame adom ono create ono an TV show na fe de ade bi NDC for ma ye de chance Kevin Taylor Captain Smart ene omu ebi okrampa wo hwe na krampa na obuafu ma ye de chance and I know him say 8 years no position no na de on mo mat no position pen mo ye de chance yen so say about position yen so ye be ye de chance na 3 months pen na say o must start changing growth way 3 months pen and they have a long way to go because 4 years are yet to see we are moving forward afi krampo na nsam no kra ye be kana kese enti ene omo nsha omo sapo mu nsuo pa den ene yen ya wo down yempo ye join de yen nyina je so omo be fa yen nyina de yeko because what's going on the ehia na e wasa wo yen as president wo na wonkrofo yen monye the ehia mo why na ye corrupt chain NDC who is more corrupted than NDC and so ni nyina Kufuado say near boy near guso near yese now you are in power mo person mo shut down the opposition and your moboa enye da Kevin Taylor no kra mpo ba Ghana no wanya police soldiers edinachi no katachi efe we are also going to protect ours though we are in opposition but ebet me protect yen ho NDC dear I don't know what is going on. Me enana me read ye bi me pese me kasa fa pad na okokra aba no ho kakra. Ase Mahama no sabi ne ma sem ni ntimi hu se pad no kura o ma draw ne ti kura da ho dada na ni ebobobobo ho. ye nuano mo bo pad now so nani tue mu ni said the ade na esi kono sa na beye e ma asem na nti. Look at all this. The here e was a yema a school for. You said you are coming to reset Ghana. You are coming to reset free SHS. Until we reset free SHS, what are you supposed to do? Is it part from China? Meanwhile, what the pardon or meanwhile we have companies that produce parts in Ghana. Why don't you? Why is it that you don't want to accept yours? And now, why is it that their woman for they are hypocrites? Let me put it that way. Very hypocrites. You produce parts of Ghana. Though what finance are doing, so per se, Muria Ghana nti, mu be produce part at the amount of school for more than 2.91 billion. And then this year, come say million, as a billion. And this is for an amount who say million, as a billion. 2.91 billion at all for part. I think I'm creating agencies. A national, a biaba region for part. You be see dying for padu. I ever store pada. Nipa obe fa omo atna anono. O mubro 1990 national region and some about district ne asiasi hono minti. So unia ba ne ko school na so hia pad na was wakodi layo. Se headmistress like mentia said the NBCI. Enti ene de me ba for that because when I was reading about it me hwesi kapa wo mode e kofa sa pad na free China na me twene ho amentiase. But all they say we are all Ghanaians. Yetimu sana waseba because Bahama is now our president. And no mono they don't think about the future nti ye nkonko ana nti enso ye nyina ye ko ye de akire. But MPP there 4 years to come there. Inshallah, MPP 2028. MPP will be in power. I mean, sure, will be.
Yo. Amen. Thank you, Auntie Gina. All right. I think the next person is Dr. Top Form because when I picked him, he went down. Right? Then Ghana Jollof. Yeah, good evening.
Yeah, good evening. It's here for that was the voice. Oh boy, Jumapa and Yamin Shroud. Na ye bonfire ma say onbo ho ban bibia anyo even backup na why no kra no e ya adwempa na mo bibia anyo ye bokoso bonfire ma na mbobo ho ban na me kan mamen kan free ye nuaba adwo asafo ye na adwo asafo wonya ne voice I see we finding the voice finally na the refi course here leading to your parliament hijack by NDC. Hey, Sister Adjoa, Uma ye swing, run na ye here, boy, say obeba. Now a boy na ye to me, to me na what parliament, because now no what implications were outside the parliament. Na Sister Adjoa way, na ye wono. Na moment some how can you be a talsum. And they say, men the minute they are again, say, time now ye CEO for no. Then yan no na Ghana for Ghana for na esua no musu no me say reshuffling. In fact, sa aswentie na ye papa Akufo-Addo ye no na fe Ghana for ebuafu na ebufu abem. The government has a right to remove anyone towards the end of at any time. But timing is important. Politics is a game of numbers. Timing. Se wo kosun kofo no bufua. Ayana omo de yaw. Ayayu obi tumi ka say me de me vote o. Na unim November no na me wo Ghana. Na me fa adwo safo empeso aso. Me koto ayibo fruit. Na mo amutobo photo mo tiewia no so na mo obi so say na ya bra na mse na bo photo ya wo bra wo sorry anopa wo ye wadwuma wo bra ade ba pa na government o se woni ya to some say and ye be na enti say ndisi ba ade no mba ya ma esam ba yefo me pa cho Ghana fo esam ndisi fo ba esam na yefo esam bo ayefo na the econ say na Ghana for say asema no propaganda NDC for be na hey no more than na MPP platform me can say communication in yo. Now people were clamoring for their own selfish gains. And Kofo Kaomanu tum for a very long time until say I feel Kufu discuss say all commission I feel no more come once na you will document wo ho ayayi ade ayeye nyina wom communicators Kaomanu tum because me nya hwe ubetie NPP ni bi me nya hwe na me nya hwe say na you call opposition wonya hwe e dey na wonya e dey na wonya Yesusu ye tu mamanefo no ye tu okrafo ye tu mamanefo and people for no mienga nya twom na ye nya say ye nya hwe no when you sacrifice for the nation it comes back to you wo susu nya ho yi ya ka ho bi time a wo say ye tumi bo dawuro anyoma dodo a ekufu ado ye nya ne ya kan ano atum and ye complain ye nya hwe na nka mienya power no mpo ye nya power ni wi anani akwa go say see ya say nya power we have another chance it ye kan hu bi papa ye point fingers at other people ye kan hu bi mama mra ye nya be ma a free fa so na free fa na me I am do say ya picking up anya me de say ya che no but I am de say ade na oye no akọ mani enti say ade no ya na enti enya susuanso omoso it's getting an effect no and ye bobone da. Now can you see what one man can do? What one man can do, boys, ade awuye. If we all go down na ye kase NDC for yesu be to omanu ogu omoso a Ghana for we so be to omasum yesu yasaka enti say the free fire no say ko mani na ye omo yade a ene mo me nkozo ye nya no po ene say o ma kire say ade no ye no ko mani ene ye bob mo ye mbo hwa na ho ntete